Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Iswan's here again. Today I'm going to show you how to use fresh aloe vera gel for your skin. Aloe vera gel has so many beauty benefits. It prevents the skin from premature aging, it calms the skin, and it prevents any unwanted blemishes. It helps in getting rid of fine lines, age marks, and suntan. Overall, it increases the elasticity of your skin. Now, as you can see here, I have my aloe vera plant. I bought this about 2 months ago, and it's winter time, so I'm just keeping it indoors. It is very convenient to buy the plant, and it comes in very handy, especially if you have to do your beauty stuff. You just need to water it about 2 to 3 times in a week. Now I'm just gonna cut one piece. I'm gonna cut, the outermost leaf. And as you can see here, I have here my leaf, and it's so juicy. So I'll cut just a little bit for my face. Then I'll come in with an aluminium foil and cover up the open part. This you can leave in your fridge, or you can leave outside if it's very cold. Whenever you need a piece, you just cut it up and you cover up the rest. So I'm gonna take my little piece and cut it open. As you can see, there is this yellowish greenish substance. This irritates the skin a lot, so I'm just gonna dab it off with some tissue paper. So to start, I'll clean my dirty face with my Cetaphil facial wash. You need to do this on a very clean face. Afterwards, I'll just rinse it off and dab it with a towel. Now my face is all clean and ready. So I will take that little piece and just rub it on my face. I will do this in a circular motion. Now I must say this feels really good, especially if the aloe vera gel is cold. It calms and soothes your skin at once. This is very ideal for imperfections and blemishes. Make sure it doesn't come into contact with your eye. I must say, when you start putting it on your face, especially if your face is very clean, you are gonna feel, that tingling effect. It's normal. After some minutes, it's just gonna go away. Make sure you get your chin area and your under eye area too. Now afterwards, I'm gonna leave it on my face for, some time. I'll just allow it to dry, or just leave it on for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll just wash it off with lukewarm water. You don't need soap. After you wash it off, you are gonna feel that instant freshness, and it's certainly gonna add some smoothness onto your skin. You can do this every day or every other day for maximum results. If you want, you can take a before and after picture, and you can compare after 7 days. This is best done before going to bed. Okay guys, so this is it, and I hope you like it. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.